guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Brandon with Parkside Kia. Here we've got the recently remodeled 2021 Sorento, and guys, let me tell you, there are some changes that they have done to this vehicle that I've absolutely fallen completely in love with. So I'm sure you all are familiar with the Telluride and die-hard Telluride fan, but if I didn't have to have more than 6 passengers or haul more than 5,000 pounds, like if 3,500 pounds was enough, I believe I would take the Sorento all day long. Now you may notice that I've been talking with my hands a lot and not actually been driving with them. The vehicle's got lane keep assist, advanced forward collision avoidance with cyclist and junction, meaning if there is someone on a bicycle and I don't pay attention, the car will just go around it. I'd like the cameraman to zoom in on this right here. So this is your blind spot view monitor. Of course, it's showing the right side of the vehicle. This is what the left side would look like. I've also got the cluster lit up to look like this pretty day. Now you all won't see this right now because it's not that time of the day, but I'll go ahead and show you what this looks like when I shot the video. And I just learned this not too long ago because I was making a video for a customer about dusk, and that's when I learned that it did that. And right before I left that evening, it was a nighttime sky. So wow, Kia is just really set it off with this. Different than the Telluride, this has got a 2.5 turbo charged motor with 311 feet-pound of torque. So what does that mean? That means that it's going to get up to speed much more quicker than the Telluride will. Okay, 311 feet-pound of torque is almost breathtaking. Our Stinger has got 376 feet-pound of torque, and it's a 6-cylinder. So a 3.3 liter motor versus this 2.5, and it still produce over what you just heard was the forward collision warning because that car was turning, but I was aware. So on top of the engine upgrades and the exterior upgrades, which I will show you in the next video of what this looks like outside, you can see that we've got captain's chairs in the back. That's going to come in the S model hybrid and above. You'll get captain's chairs. Yes, I did say hybrid. The 2021 Sorento is available in 2 trim levels with a hybrid motor. Gets about 650 miles per tank. And still with a whopping 220 horsepower. You tell me what other hybrid vehicle on the market has got over 200 horsepower, and I'll be shocked. You can comment down below. Looks like we're running into a bit of traffic here, so I'm going to cut the video there. Firstly, you've got heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, auto hold, which I'll hit, and when I come to a complete stop, the vehicle will just keep me here. This car is going to let me go. So this is what happens when you aren't driving a Kia with forward collision avoidance. That happens, and this happens. Now, had this been a vehicle like this one, not only would the car alarm you, like you heard earlier in the video of the forward collision avoidance, but it also would have applied the brakes with the autonomous braking. So, I'm going to go a step further, and we're going to get up to reasonably fast speeds, and by that I mean 75, and I'm going to put my smart cruise control on. Again, you can see that it's showing me what's in my blind spot, and now it's beeping at me, letting me know that that truck's there, and yes, we don't want to get ran over by him. So what's different is your cruise control's on all the time, so you just hit it. It's showing a 3-car length distance between me and the following car. I got it set for 65, and we're doing 59. That's because this vehicle in front of me is doing that. So it looks like he's getting a little distance on us, so we'll be going up to speed. That being said, now with all of these safety features working, if they were to come to a dead stop the vehicle would too. So that accident you just witnessed back there, it never would have happened. And that's why, guys, this is ranked number one in the mid-size SUV market. I know that simply because my customer traded in his freshly leased out Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited for this vehicle, only because Consumer Reports ranked it number one. And then after he test drove it, he understood why. So a few other cool upgrades that this has: your wireless phone charger, instead of this way, it is now that way, and it is actually quite deep. It's the whole length of my hand, which are rather large hands, wouldn't you agree? Yeah, they're not small hands like the guy from Burger King, those commercials. So if you've got a Galaxy Note phone that's ginormous, it's going to fit there. And again, I've been letting the vehicle drive for me this entire time while I've been talking about these features without pushing the brake or the gas, nothing like that. And again, I'd like to repeat that this is just secondary to you being the driver. I'm gonna slow down and get in this next lane here. Alright. And then I want you to take a shot at my foot not being on the brake. Take a shot at the road. It's steering itself, not doing anything. Kia has really stepped up this game. And I'm really excited about well, I don't want to spoil the surprise, but next year you guys are all going to see the new logo, and it's amazing. Feel free to come on down to Parkside Kia at 9929 Parkside Drive and ask for me, Brandon, or anyone. Also, test drive one for yourself. Don't take it from me. Come see it and see how you like the drive of it. You know, put your own ranking on there, see if it's better than the limited Grand Cherokee, which we have one on the lot currently right now, and you can drive it. But yeah, thanks.